channel, and today's video is a little bit different. I'm going to do a Halloween look, but there's not going to be much talking in it. I have got a cold and I just feel like my breathing's so loud that it's just going to irritate people, so I'm going to just do a Halloween look and it's going to be a quick tutorial, so I hope you like it. So I'm just going to get into it. I'm going to use the moisturiser that I always use and just put that all over my face because this white makeup dries it out so much. Moisturiser. I shouldn't have worn this jumper, really. It's black and I'm putting loads of white makeup on. Brilliant. I want to add a little bit of that Nivea lip balm. Right, I want to add, it's called cream makeup. I'm going to mix it with a lighter foundation that I don't really use. When you put just the white on, it dries so quick and it goes streaky. If you mix it with a little bit of foundation, I find that it goes on better. Might just be me. Now that my base is done, I'm just going to add a tiny bit of translucent powder just to set it. Right, I'm just going to draw an outline around my lips because this is where it's going to start and get fun, shall we say. I want to try and get it in the screen as much as I can, but I'm trying to do a lot at once here. So now I'm just adding a brown, more of a nude eyeshadow just around the black outline of my lips, just to give the lips a bit more of definition. So now I'm just adding creases as if there were wrinkles around a natural eye, just to make it look more realistic. I'm now just adding some shading of a darker brown around the top line, so it's the top of my lip, just to make it look more like an eyelid. So now, after I've done all the shading, I'm now just adding the white to make the actual eyeball. I'm now adding pink and nude together to make a waterline. I'm now adding black shading on the inner corner and the outer corner of the eyeball. So I'm now drawing a black outline of where the iris is going to be. I'm now drawing and filling in the red and light pink for the iris. I'm now adding some dark red just to add some shading and definition to the iris. I'm now adding with white eyeliner some sort of zigzags, lines, just to add a bit more colour, definition to the iris. Now the fun part, I'm adding the pupil. I'm now just adding some white little dots as if it was a reflection in an eye. I'm now just adding some black eyelashes. I'm now just adding some black eyeshadow around my eyes. I'm now just adding black with a thin brush just to make little zigzags so they look like veins coming from your eyes. And now I've cut in a little strips a set of old fake eyelashes that I've got, and now I'm just sticking them in place. Final look. Can't really open my mouth as wide as I want to because I've got eyelashes and everything, but I hope you enjoyed it. And it is, I would just want to say it like a dead eye look or something, but I hope you enjoy it. Bye.